A is used with countable nouns to indicate one. I have got a cat. A is used to indicate cost, speed, or frequency. 50 pence a kilo. 4 times a day. A is used for certain numbers. 100. 1,000. A couple. A dozen. The is used when the word is used a second time. When talking about a known object. I've just washed the car. We've made the beds. The is used in a general sense, with musical instruments. Can you play the guitar? I've just bought a guitar and a piano. The is used when the object is unique. The moon. The sun. Usually, no article is used with abstract nouns, life, beauty, love, etc., languages, and academic subjects, history, Latin, etc. Life isn't always easy. Latin is a difficult language to learn. Usually, no article is used with materials, wine, coal, sugar, etc., when they are considered in a general sense. Glass is a difficult material to cut. There is a difference between. They were looking for gold. They found the gold. Usually, no article is used before countries and towns. They live in London. Usually, no article is used before school, home, work, church, bed, and hospital in certain expressions. We went to church. She's at home. Some words are used with a, the, or no article, depending on the meaning of the word, and whether it is thought of as definite, the, indefinite, a, or uncountable. I put the glass on the table. Definite, a particular glass. I picked up a glass. Indefinite, one of a number of glasses. It's made of glass. Uncountable, glass is material. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, the. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, A. Complete the sentence. Right answer is C, am. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, the. Complete the sentence. Right answer is D, no article.